How to block someone on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can block someone on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this page. Here, the chat section is selected by default. On this page, if you find someone you want to block, click on their profile and you will reach to their chat section. Click on the profile of that person from the chat and you will be presented with the details. Here at the top you will see 3 vertical dots. Click on that dot and a new page will be loaded. Within it you will find block option. At the right side of the block option you will find the toggle button. Toggle the button on and it will ask you if you really want to block this user or not. After blocking you won't receive any message from them. If you are sure to block this person, click on OK and wait for a while. Now this person has been blocked. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.